For today's video, I'm recreating my favorite iconic Blair Waldorf looks. This one is so iconic Blair to me, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that you don't miss any of my character looks. I am in New York right now, so that was a loud beep beep, and I don't have a mic, so I'm missing half of my stuff, so hopefully you guys still enjoyed this video, and I'm so excited to be partnering with OGX for this. I'm obsessed with their products, especially since they came out with these stylers last year, so you guys have pretty much seen every single styler they have through my videos anyways, and I just love them. Their hairsprays are amazing, and also I wanted to share my favorite shampoo, which I've already shared on Instagram a bunch, but if you're wondering what I use on my hair, I love the Liquid Pearl shampoo and conditioner from OGX, and let me just read the last line and you guys will understand why. Discover silky smooth strands that are illuminated with vibrancy and reveal your inner mermaid. So can't get better than that. These smell amazing, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed these looks. Everything that I use will be listed down below, and let me know if you'd like to see more Blair styles, and let's get into it. Starting with my hair air dried, I already have in some brown eye contacts by the way, and I love this super cute striped top I have on, and we're going to create a slightly off to the side part and brush out your hair. I'm going to use the OGX Smoothing and Shea Sleek Smooth Style Spray. This protects strands against extreme heat for super smooth style. I love the smell. It's infused with shea butter and marula oil, and I almost never blow dry my hair. My hair is pretty straight as it is, so this is awesome to just spray through in the morning to dampen my hair and then run through with a brush, and it helps smooth it out if I'm just wearing it natural. But also it gives high heat thermal protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and we are about to curl for this Blair bun. Curl about 3 sections on either side of the part, both away from the face. We're getting lots of shine here, and to add hold, I'm using the OGX Extra Strength and Honey Hold Hairspray. This is designed to keep your curls in place all day, and it's infused with honey and amber extract, one of my personal favorite scent combos. And you'll see that I do this in most of the styles, but I love to hold up the curl and give a burst with the hairspray upwards to coat within the curl to give volume without having to tease, and it really holds that curl. Pop on your favorite bow headband. This one I did have to DIY. I went to Claire's, called ahead, asked if they had a red bow headband, and they didn't. So I added a ribbon to a black headband that I already had, and if it looks a bit makeshift, it's because it really is. And this one had some padding and volume to it, so I'm going to make sure the back of this style has enough volume to match that. So I'm going to keep the headband in as I'm working on it. My hair doesn't hold tease the best, so spraying in the Honey Hold Mega Hairspray again, OGX strongest hold hairspray ever to the roots before lightly teasing does wonders. I'll be describing each styler a bit. Picking the right styler for whatever type of look you're doing really makes a difference, and I love how clear the OGX packaging is for different levels of hold and how everything is a different color. It's really fun and easy to get the most out of your styles. So quickly teasing in layers here, combing back over. And before tossing into a pony, add a couple curls throughout the back section close up to the root. Now bring the hair into a low pony with a small elastic, and pull up the curls a bit for more volume and a pretty texture going into the bun. Finally, curl the ends of the ponytail. Of course, you can just curl your whole head, but this way we're using less heat and only adding curls in sections that will show them off. Teasing the base of the pony for a full bun. And this bun is super easy. I'll do it in slow-mo. Bring the pony folded under the elastic first. Loop the ends with the curls to the side and around to the top of the elastic. With bobby pins, pin around the base of the bun and position the curls to frame the top of the bun. You really can't go wrong with this step. It'll look pretty no matter what you do. And spritz one more time, locking in that bun. And with a quick twist, bring the front sections we curled back and pin into the curls at the top of the bun. I love how the hair now sweeps over the headband. Leave some face framing pieces if you prefer to do that. I definitely do. And there's the polished but still undone bun. I love this hairspray because it doesn't feel stiff, I know the style will last, and this bun is super cute for the holidays with the bow. And speaking of holidays, back home in Toronto, OGX put on the coolest event, and I just have to show you guys these clips. We love pop culture on this channel, and they recreated Regina George's bedroom for a dream scene, and it was everything. So be sure to check out my Instagram for more behind the scenes. I am so ready for the holidays this year, and at this event there was a Burning Love book treated as a guest book where you could take a Polaroid and sign, and I think that's just a really good idea for a holiday party. Like keeping the aesthetic of iconic movies and characters, but being nice. Like back to this tutorial, I love Blair curls, but I'm not about to go sabotage my friends. Anyway, look number 2, this was right after I washed and air dried my hair, and I hope you guys can guess from the dress that I'm recreating the first Thanksgiving episode. A slightly off-center part again, and this time about an inch back, we're going to comb the crown backwards. This is my all-time favorite hairspray that I use. I've gone through 4 cans this past year, and it's the OGX Bamboo Fiber Full Big Hairspray. This one is meant for volume, which I am typically going for. I love big hair. And for this look, we're going to spray, tease the base, and then curl away from the face using that same wand. Hold the curl and give it another spray, and the bamboo fibers and plant collagen in this hairspray, make sure that you're getting that fullness, especially because we are going to pin these curls up top to set. And then picking up and curling section by section. LOL at the trimming I added to this dress falling off. I taped it like a true DIY queen. I'm good at hair, not sewing. And now curl from the back, going towards the face. Once you like the look of your curls, I'm shaking up the OGX Bamboo Fiber Full Sugar High Tousle Spray, and I'm spraying in to separate, elevate, and define these curls. This is added sugarcane extract with the bamboo fibers to get that loose, lived-in look, so I'm going to add more texture to the polished ringlets like my inspo photo. A little more teasing never hurt nobody. And other side, again, you're curling towards the face this time. If you're accidentally curling towards your face when you're meaning to go away, I know it can get confusing with wands, like which way the curl is going sometimes. It really doesn't make a huge difference. If anything, it adds volume because the curls can't clump together if they're going in different ways. But I did notice the back of the curls looked really nice flowing towards, and then the front pieces were really pretty sweeping backwards. Take down those curls and bam, they really add volume and polish off the look. Spray the bang section forward with a little more hairspray. And just for fun, I pinned some of the longer curls that I had up to match Blair's length more. And this was super easy in this lace dress, but completely optional. Rock whatever length you've got, and if you have layers in your hair, these curls will be even more bouncy and full. Final style is from the iconic Paris episode. I had a ruffle top for this that did not come in the mail, so I'm just wearing a bodysuit, but any red top or dress with a red lip is super bold, and this look is a great look for holiday parties. It's glam, and the hair really isn't too hard to do. Starting with dry shampoo, I'm using the OGX Silk Blowout Dry Extend Dry Shampoo. It has silk protein and rose extract, and it does not leave white residue. I have darker hair, so that's essential in a dry shampoo for me, and this absorbs oil and enhances softness. I don't know if I'm alone in this, but I never really read instructions on how to use dry shampoos, so for the longest time I'd always skip massaging through the roots to absorb the excess oil. It does make a big difference, and then just brush through and let style. Leaving out 2 large front sections that we will pin back for the half up, half down do, tease the rest of the crown for big volume. This is more of a sleek style, so I'm using the OGX Smoothing and Shea Sleek Humidity Blocking Hairspray. This one's infused with shea butter and marula oil for a lighter hold. And with a bigger wand, curl away from the face and pin up the 2 curls nearest to the face, and the rest we're just gonna simply loose curl. The way I'm spraying in this hairspray is fluffing the hair backwards for a windswept look, like this inspo photo that I'm going off of. Bring the front sections into a twist and pin up right before the nape of the neck. Use one bobby pin, grabbing the hair upwards and then straight back down to hide it, and pull on the twist for added volume. You're going to do this a couple times until you like the look at the back. I'm using a double mirror so I can see what I'm doing. Adding some teasing to try to match the volume. I do have a lot more length, but we're still going to try to get big hair. And there's the last quick and easy romantic style, set in place with the OGX Smoothing and Shea Sleek Humidity Blocking Hairspray. And let me know which out of these styles is your favorite, and also in the poll, which Blair looks are most iconic in your eyes, her fall and winter style or spring and summer looks. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more pop culture videos every week. Thanks again to OGX for sponsoring this video. I love OGX and I have so much fun working with the brand. I went to Gov Ball here in New York in the summer, and that was so much fun. I actually reconnected with my now boyfriend, so I really love the brand. They brought me back with my first lover from Belgium. If you guys are like, what are you talking about? I do have a vlog channel where I talk more about my personal life sometimes, but if you want to check out that vlog where I saw my boyfriend after 11 years, that is over there. Reconnect with him right now, so it could be so weird. I mean, I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna go do that now. Why am I so nervous? As well as Gov Ball, and you know, we just love OGX on this channel. Oh, someone here. Let me share some photos of you guys from different looks you've recreated. I love when you tag me over on Instagram or if you're wearing my merch. You guys look amazing, and I will see you in my next one.